The adapter attaches to the dust shroud. It allows you to connect either a 2.5 or 4-inch dust collection hose to the planer. The adapter can be accidentally damaged if it is hit by something or if the dust collection hose pulls on it. Replacing the adapter is a simple repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old adapter from the planer. The adapter is held in place with a lock pin and a twist lock. To remove it, I'll push in the lock pin and then twist the adapter. It'll then pull away from the planer. Now I can install the new adapter. First, I'll place it over the top of the lock pin, depressing the pin, and then I'll align the quick connect on the other side with the pin on the planer. Once it's in place, I just rotate it until it locks in place with the pin. And it's ready to go. And that's how simple it is to install a new adapter on your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.